Yeah, so it's been raining so much that I haven't been able to and haven't needed to get the irrigation system in. But now it's turned off hot and dry, so you can see it's getting dried out. And I've done a video before of what I do. I just use this 1/4-inch tubing and emitters. These are called rain drip. And then I use, you can buy these plugs and tees off of Amazon. All of this stuff, I think it was under 30 bucks. And it's not the highest quality stuff, but I've been using it for 3 years. And the only reason I'm buying new stuff is because I've cut the old stuff so many times, it's easier just to kind of start over. So anyway, you can buy a higher quality and more expensive stuff, but for the money, you just can't beat this. I like to use this PEX pipe cutter to cut the tubing. Makes a real nice cut. So I put a T on the very end, and then I'll put a hose coming off each side. Yeah, so everything just pushes together. So this is the emitter, and it just pushes into the hose like that.